Okay guys, Nifty Thrifty Girl doing a brief video about this little Spartan that I came upon. It's a model 192K. It is, of course, kind of like a 99. It's a little 3/4 size machine. It is only straight stitch. It uses class 66 bobbins and 15x1 needles, and it is a low shank machine. It does have its original base. It has to sit in this plastic base, or else the internal parts underneath hit the tabletop. So, all the wiring is in like new condition. It's cosmetically very nice. It's got a little ding in the paint right here beside the needle plate, about my pinky nail, and just 2 little dings right here on the corner. Cosmetically, that's about it. It's still nice and shiny. It's not cracking or flaking. The clear coat is not crazing. So overall, this is a nice little machine. It comes with the little 2-page original instruction brochure. It's not a manual, it's like 1 folded page. It also comes with vintage 66 bobbins, and I found a hammer clip that I have. But it just takes standard low shank attachments. And of course, as all our machines always are, it is cleaned, serviced, and ready to go. You can adjust the foot pressure as well. And of course, it has tacking. Sorry, I have shoes on, so I'm inconsistent on the foot pedal. Sorry about that. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. And as you can see, ready to go. Using a size 16 needle in it right now. Here's about 4 layers of nice thick denim. So this little machine will even blast right through denim. You can see it's a trooper. So, and that again is the Spartan 192K and straight stitch Singer. You can find me on eBay, Nifty Thrifty Girl. My email's underneath if you have any questions. Right down under the video.